welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this perfect whipped frosting. It can be used for so many different things, a million and one ways to use it. I think it's my favorite recipe I've ever come up with. Like, yeah, I say that's safe to say. You can use it in so many different ways, and I'm going to show you a bunch of them, but first, let's see how to make it. This has a very simple beginning. We're going to take 1 block of cream cheese, add it in, beat it till it's smooth. So add in your cream cheese, and then a paddle attachment would really be better, but I'm gonna be using a whisk attachment, and pop that on, and we're gonna give this a mix for about 30 seconds to a minute until this is smooth. Now that it's smooth, and you guys can see it, I can show it to you. So now that it's smooth, there it is. We are ready to move on, and I'm going to be adding a cup of powdered sugar. And you actually, most frosting recipes, you've got to add the right amount of powdered sugar to make it work, but you don't, because we're going to add whipping cream. So you could increase it, decrease it, depending on your preferences. That's why this recipe is like thebomb.com. And then you're also going to add in some vanilla, and I will put a quantity down below that I used when I recipe tested this. But yeah, the way that I normally do it when I'm not like trying to develop a recipe is like that. And so then I am going to mix that until that's smooth. Okay, so you can see the texture here. It kind of reminds you of like cream cheese frosting or something. I did scrape the bowl down once. So now it's time for the last ingredient. We're gonna add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to the mix and beat that, and then we're done. So 2 cups. That's about right. So let's mix it up. Okay, so you guys, it is done mixing. This is what it looks like. You want to beat it until stiff peaks form. And you can see, if you look inside the bowl, this is another way to check, just like tip it over. It shouldn't be going anywhere. It should be stuck there. So this is the frosting, and now let's see a few ways to use it.
Okay, so you guys, here I am filling a piping bag. This is an amazing frosting because it's so fluffy and light, and it's not too sweet, but the crazy part is that it pipes so beautifully, and your hands are never sore like it could be like when you're piping buttercream. You get tired of squeezing the bag, but this frosting is so light and fluffy, like it's amazing. So I'll just fill a piping bag and push it down in the bag until it reaches the end. And you guys, I use it in so many ways. Here I am putting it on French toast with a blueberry compote. Again, recipes in my cookbook for the compote. I like putting it on these lemon shooters, and I also put it on like coconut cream shooters, whatever it might be. It acts as just like a stabilized whipped cream, and it's perfect. Not too sweet, but it's gonna hold up a lot better than just regular whipped cream, which I love. It works well there, and then you guys look at it, how beautifully it pipes, and I just love it.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, hit subscribe. You guys, all the recipes in this video came from my capsule cupcakes cookbook, which is centered around 13 basic recipes with step-by-step photos that you can mix and match into all different types of cupcakes. You guys can see that this whipped frosting, I use it a ton in this cookbook. Coconut lime cupcakes, check, whipped frosting. Coconut cream pie cupcakes, check, whipped frosting. Okay, where else is the whipped frosting? One more time. Oh, lemon curd, lemon berry, strawberry custard. These all use that same frosting because it's amazing, and I think you're gonna love this. It's on Amazon for $15.99. Even if you don't want to pick up the cookbook, the whipped frosting recipe will be in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.